Have you ever wondered what secrets the universe holds beyond our gaze? The cosmos, a vast expanse of mysteries and wonders, has always drawn humanity's curiosity. From the earliest civilizations to the modern era, we've sought to understand and explore the world beyond our own planet. As our thirst for knowledge grew, we developed tools like space telescopes to help us peer deeper into the cosmos. One of these tools, the James Webb Space Telescope, is poised to take us one step closer to answering these grand questions. The story of the James Webb Space Telescope begins in the late 20th century. It's a tale that intertwines the vision of scientists, the ambition of space agencies, and the legacy of one man, James E. Webb, the second administrator of NASA. Webb was a staunch advocate for space exploration, and it is in his honor that this monumental telescope was named. The early plans and ideas for the telescope were ambitious. This was not to be just another space observatory. Instead, it was intended to be a window to the very edges of the universe, a tool to observe the most distant events and objects in the cosmos. Picture this, peering back over 13.5 billion years to witness the formation of the first galaxies. That's the kind of capability we're talking about. But such a grand project could not be undertaken single-handedly. It required the collaboration of not just NASA, but also the European Space Agency, or ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, or CSA. Together, they pooled resources, knowledge, and expertise, each contributing to different aspects of the project. The goal of the telescope was clear: to push the boundaries of our understanding, to reach further than we ever have, and to answer questions that have long been on the minds of astrophysicists and astronomers. And thus, after years of planning and collaboration, the James Webb Space Telescope was born. The creation of the James Webb Space Telescope was no small feat. This assertion can't be overemphasized. A venture of this magnitude required the collaboration of not only thousands of individuals, but also the collective expertise of NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. The building process was one marked by challenges and triumphs. The primary mirror, for instance, is a marvel of engineering. Comprised of 18 hexagonal segments, it spans over 6.5 meters across, 2.5 times larger than the Hubble Space Telescope's mirror. Each segment had to be coated with a thin layer of gold, enhancing their reflectivity to infrared light. The precision required for this task was simply mind-boggling. And then there was the sunshield, an engineering wonder in its own right. About the size of a tennis court, this 5-layered shield protects the telescope from the heat of the sun, Earth, and Moon. Each layer of the sunshield works to reduce the temperature, creating a cool environment optimal for the telescope's instruments. But the challenges were not only of a technical nature. The project faced numerous delays and budget overruns, yet the team persevered, driven by the belief that the scientific advancements to be gained were well worth the effort. The technological advancements made during its construction are equally impressive. For example, the telescope's near-infrared camera, or NIRCam, will allow us to see back in time, to the formation of the earliest galaxies. This is made possible by the phenomenon known as redshift, where the expansion of the universe stretches light to longer, redder wavelengths. In the end, the telescope is much more than just its large mirror and sunshield. It's a testament to human ingenuity and persistence in the face of seemingly insurmountable obstacles. It's a tool of discovery, built to push the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. After years of meticulous work, the James Webb Space Telescope was ready for its journey into space. The journey of the James Webb Space Telescope from Earth to its destination was a spectacle in itself. Imagine this, a spacecraft, the size of a tennis court, rocketing into the sky, leaving a trail of fire and smoke in its wake. This was the scene when the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, launched from Earth. Powered by an Ariane 5 rocket, one of the most reliable launch vehicles in the world, the JWST began its mission to unravel cosmic mysteries. As the telescope left Earth's atmosphere, it embarked on a journey of over 1 million miles to reach its destination, the second Lagrange point, or L2. This point in space provides a stable environment for the JWST to carry out its observations. It's a delicate balance between the gravitational pulls of the Earth and the Sun, an ideal spot for the telescope to sit and watch the universe. But the journey didn't end with reaching L2. Once there, the JWST faced another challenge: unfolding and setting up. This spacecraft wasn't just a telescope, It was a transformer. It had to unfold its sunshield, a 5-layer, heat-resistant blanket the size of a tennis court, designed to protect the telescope's delicate instruments from the sun's heat. It then had to align its 18 hexagonal mirror segments to form one giant mirror, a process that required the utmost precision. These steps, each critical to the telescope's mission, were completed successfully. The sunshield was deployed, the mirror was aligned, and the James Webb Space Telescope was ready to start its mission. This launch and the journey that followed weren't just about getting a telescope into space. They were a testament to human ingenuity and determination. They showed what we can achieve when we dare to dream big and work towards our goals, no matter how challenging they may seem. Now, the James Webb Space Telescope sits in space, ready to unlock the secrets of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just a piece of technology, it's a beacon of human curiosity. Its potential for discovery is as vast as the universe it observes. Imagine detecting the subtle whispers of atmospheres on distant exoplanets, or even peering back in time to observe the early universe, its infant galaxies taking their first cosmic breaths. Each of these discoveries hold the potential to rewrite our understanding of space and our place within it. Further, the James Webb Space Telescope is not simply looking outwards but also within the very fabric of our knowledge, challenging and expanding it. It's a symbol of our relentless pursuit of knowledge, our insatiable curiosity that pushes us beyond the known, beyond our blue marble, and into the cosmic ocean. As we gaze into the cosmos with the James Webb Space Telescope, we can only wonder what secrets it will unveil.